Good morning students. Today we discussed about advantage of e-commerce. Using e-commerce, a business can operate anytime, anywhere. Customers are also benefited by getting a wide range of products for selection at lower cost due to compensation amongst the vendors are elimination of distribute for selling the products. With e-commerce business can reach to million of customers in an instance which is not possible in any conventional mode of marketing. E-commerce provides improved better customer services. A merchant can email its customer about the new products and can also solve the products related problem. E-commerce helps organization to work together. During business electronically is much faster than using the traditional methods. Other advantage of e-commerce are conduct business 24 into 7. Means using e-commerce a business can operate anytime anywhere. The business activities do not remain time based. A customers can purchase a product anytime anywhere. No boundaries or geographical limitation. Means a physical stores is limited by geographical area of services. With e-commerce business can reach out to millions of customers is an instance which is not possible in any conventional mode of marketing. Teamwork in e-commerce helps the organization to work together. One good example is the use of email, which helps people to interchangeable information. It has changed the way organization internet with suppliers, businessmen, business partners and customers for better services or transfer the information. Speed. Using business electronically is much faster than using the traditional method. The speed of business transaction increased significantly as delay for communication is avoided by conducting transaction online. Business organization can generate purchase order and send it to supplier online without delay. Suppliers can receive and purchase the order quickly. This also helps to reducing the shopping time. Lower cost. Using internet for business activities can reduce the cost of marketing, distribution, postage, printing and many other such activities. In e-commerce, requirement of physical stores, space or infrastructure invented in minimal. Improved and better customer services. Companies that do business with other companies adding customer service online is a competitive advantage. Online customer services makes customers happier. E-commerce gives better and quicker customer service. Information can be shared easily on internet. A merchant can email its customer about the new products and can also solve the product related problem. Eliminate travel time and cost. The customers do not have to travel long distance to reach their physical store. E-commerce allows them to visit the some store online and they purchase their products online. So it reduces travel time and cost. E-commerce also provide following benefits to the society. Buy from home, office or any place. Less traveling to purchase a product which further reduce pollution and traffic. Healthcare services, distance learning and education.